Eritariane Ndemo Steven.
Mbiamano Ndemo Steven ase oroboti ururikira numuraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo ago keiro bokoreri ibwe kiombe kyomusaraba mubariri gose Red Cross aso yokurwa bokonyi gochiase abananchi yani gaja kwana chinga kyomerana nababwatani kurwase kiombe kyo ase nyomba yobora ya State House mu cyo Nairobi chinga kiboigo achorwa kuba umutenendero Bob na omo Patron asaga ni bagendere kunomukia bwo konya abananchi.
And the Kenya Red Cross in a salient example. It aims at mitigating pastoralist losses from livestock deaths while relieving hunger and malnutrition in our arid and semi-arid rangelands by purchasing 27,000 livestock to assist nearly 270,000 households keep the drought at bay. At the same time, I am aware that the society runs a robust health, nutrition, and social service program, which targets households affected by conflict and drought. COVID-19 worsened already desperate conditions in certain parts of our country that were ravaged by insecurity and drought. Access to life-saving health services was disrupted, and the most vulnerable people were exposed to extreme suffering. This program has also helped many, especially children, get another chance at life and its infinite possibilities. I'm also aware that the organization Development Dimension supports effective service delivery through well-trained staff, complemented by a countrywide network of members and volunteers coordinated from the society's branches and regions. At the heart of the society's mandate are members and volunteers. Indeed, I understand volunteerism